Good morning. It's Wednesday, and as you can see from our calendar, there's really nothing on the calendar for today. If you have not completed your variation and modeling assignment that was on the calendar for yesterday, you will need to do that. Tomorrow, we have our Unit 4 exam scheduled. Some things that you need to probably go back and look at. Make sure that you can do everything with polynomials. So make sure that you can put a quadratic in standard form. Remember that standard form in this textbook is y equals a parenthesis x minus h quantity squared plus k. So it's a little different maybe than some of the other things that you have learned in the past. You need to know about transformations. So make sure that you can recognize what type of transformations occur with an equation and be able to match it to a graph. You need to know about end behavior. Remember that this is dealing with whether it's an odd function or an even function, what is your leading coefficient. So knowing how all of those pieces come together in a graph. You need to be able to find all the zeros of polynomial functions. So this could be done by factoring. You can use your calculator to help you find some of them, or use the rational zero theorem. You also need to talk about multiplicities. Remember that multiplicities are where a zero appears more than one time. So for instance, if you have x minus 2 times x minus 2, then you would have a 0 at 2, but it would have a multiplicity of 2. You need to be able to do long division and synthetic division. You also need to be able to factor polynomials, and this is factoring them all the way down, even if you have complex solutions. And then the last thing on here that I didn't see any modeling part of it, but there are several questions on your variation. So your direct, inverse, and joint variation. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. Have a great day.